Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 25th, and exactly 2 weeks ago today I had filmed this just after I had placed it in this little DIY hydroponic system, and I just wanted to come back and just show you the update and show you how large this little plant has become. And I'm very impressed. So number one, it stayed alive, and number two, it's doing very well. What I should do is just put a little screenshot from the previous video that was 2 weeks ago just to show you the difference. So let's do that now. So what you're seeing now is 2 weeks ago, and now we're back to this. So you can see really nice progress. So I'll just kind of tilt it up so you can see it. Yeah, pretty amazing. Now if we lift this up, look at the root system in here. And this thing is drinking a lot of nutrient every single day. It's unbelievable. Anyway, I'm really surprised. And all of this made with a, what is this, sour cream container and a little yogurt container. And it's, you know, all stuff that I got out of the recycling bin. But there we go. Amazing. So anyway, just a really fast update. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.